In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Ecwid with Google Sites. Whether you're new to creating an online store or you're looking to expand your existing business by adding it to a site, this guide will simplify the process for you. So let's dive right in. Start by heading over to your Ecwid account. Logging in will bring you to the dashboard where you can manage your store settings and customize your online presence. Once you're on the dashboard, go ahead and click on Overview. This section gives you access to all the essential insights about your store's performance and provides tools for further customization. Next, look for the option that says Add your store to one more website and click on it. This is an important step as it allows you to choose the platform where you want to integrate your store. Now, from the available options, select Custom Website. This choice is perfect because it will enable you to manually add your Ecwid store to platforms like Google Sites. After selecting Custom Website, you'll see an option to copy code to clipboard. Click on it and rest assured you've just acquired the integration code necessary for embedding your store into a new platform. This code acts as the bridge between Ecwid and your Google Sites, so having it ready is crucial. Now, it's time to jump over to Google Sites. Navigate to Google Sites through your browser. Once you're in, create a new site by selecting the blank site option. This will give you a fresh canvas to work your magic on without any preset designs getting in the way. With your blank site open, it's time to utilize the code you copied from Ecwid. To do this, locate and click on Embed from the toolbar. When prompted, choose the Embed Code option. Here's where you'll paste your integration code that you previously copied from your Ecwid account. This step is fundamental as it's how your store will actually appear and operate on your Google site. Once you've pasted your code, click on Next. This allows Google Sites to process the code and prepare it for insertion into your web page. After a short moment, a preview of how your store will look might appear, reassuring you that the integration is going smoothly. Finally, click on Insert. By doing so, you're officially embedding your Ecwid store into your Google site. Now your store is live on your page, ready to showcase your products to visitors. Remember, if you need to make any changes, you can always return to the Google Sites Editor or Ecwid to adjust settings and ensure everything looks just right. That's it. With these steps, you've successfully integrated your Ecwid store with Google Sites. We hope this tutorial was useful, and now you're ready to manage your store seamlessly from your site. Thanks for watching and happy selling.